everyone, it is time for another Tara's must-have. I am obsessed with this must-have. Not that I'm not obsessed with almost all the must-haves, but this one is really sweet, pun intended. It's our baking edition of our Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. This one checks all those boxes, and this one is so super special. $17.95, not for one, not for two, but for all three. And this is exclusive over at temp-tations.com. So you're definitely gonna wanna check it out. All right, what are you gonna get? Well, you're gonna get the mini loaf. Love this, 12 ounces in total capacity. Look how I followed the exact same silhouette of the most popular size in, of course, our beautiful loaf pans. But this is a 12-ounce ramekin as well. This is a mini baker. This is all of those things that you wanna make for portion control. Absolutely perfect. That's one of the pieces. If you're picking up Old World, you have the rope detail. If you're picking up floral lace, you'll have the beaded detail. Then we have just under a quart. So we have our small, we have our medium, and we're gonna get to our large. Just under a quart total capacity. And do they nest? Of course they do. That's also included. And then of course your traditional loaf pan. What you've come to expect that you usually only see in glass or you see it in metal, and you probably pay $17.95 for the glass piece or the metal piece. Certainly not a hand-painted piece, and certainly not all three. So this is your traditional loaf pan, just under 2-quart capacity. Helper handles here on the side. What I love, using this in my toaster oven. What I love is that it goes in the dishwasher. It goes in the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, and of course in the oven up to 500 degrees. Let's just take a peek at what we did over here. We did an entree where we did a beautiful pork loin with all of the vegetables inside. So look at that, your celery, your carrots, everything that you'd want. This is such a perfect portion for maybe just one or for the two of you. Love that. Easily feed a family of 4 just with that pork roast. Then we did beautiful piped potatoes, cheddar, cheesy, beautiful potatoes. And look, when you tuck that under the broiler, you get all of that crispy goodness that we come to love with the cheese in our potatoes. And then a quick veg. I love the fact that, again, this could even be frozen. You could take it, put it right in the microwave, and of course, heat it right up. So this is like what you probably wouldn't think of using it for, because loaf pans are all about baking, and we love to bake in here. When you're using stoneware, no butters, no oils, no extra added fats, so you literally don't even have to spray these. We did a beautiful, getting ready for Valentine's Day, a gorgeous cake that we iced in those adorable flowers. But then there's maybe some of your signature, maybe it's monkey bread, pull-apart breads, banana breads, chocolate chip breads, whatever breads it is, call me and I'll come over, because I would love to have a slice with you. And then, of course, we did a cute little chocolate candy, just a cute little cake, whatever. This could even be store-bought that you drop right inside here. But this is what's so amazing about these. Exclusive to temp-tations.com. Not one, not two, but all three. A small, 12 ounce, a medium, just under a quart, and your large, just under 2 quarts. Check it out over at temp-tations.com, $17.95. You can check out Old World, Floral Lace. This is a must-have, which is why we made it a must-have, in our traditional Old World, in our traditional Floral Lace, checking all the boxes you've been asking for. So head on over and check out our pretty, practical, and purposeful Tara's must-have.